Okay, Dr. Dave, nice to be with you as always. Second video on Earth Day and the habit of earthing, walking barefoot on Mother Earth. This article is what I went over last video, talking about how that should be incorporated into, inculcated into our daily routine, our daily habits, getting outdoors, walking ideally barefoot, ideally with another humanoid. All right, get your 8 hours of sleep, watch what you eat, all of my top 10. Okay, what are we trying to accomplish? Well, remember my big 6, seal and heal your leaky gut, right size inflammation, right size inflammation. So earthing becomes one more behavior you can adopt that might right size that inflammation. Why is that important? This is an article I stumbled on just recently, written by some joker, David Scheider, MD, MBA. Oh, 'tis I. Anyhow, Psychology Today last year, talking about my unifying theory of diseases of civilization, including most mental disorders. And this is that notion of metaflammation and mental health. Look it up, read it, especially if you're having trouble falling asleep. But it really hammers home a lot of these points. Now, in addition to these healthful behaviors, I do a lot of supplementation, nutritional supplementation. And this is the ultimate stack. This is what I use. This is what I travel with in some form or another. And it really gets to the heart of what I think is driving your symptoms and most people's symptoms. And that gets back to the healing and sealing of your leaky gut, hence the probio and the physique. Those two are the big dogs there. Cats, right? No preference. At the same time, your omega-3s are going to help right size inflammation and help with the integrity of that gut lining. Also going to be giving you my NRF1 and NRF2 pathway activators. That's your antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, mitochondrial health promoting strategies. So in terms of my big 6, this really does a lot, and I take this every day. And you know, if you want to, you can too. All right, well, I'm going to put a link to this particular stack in my bio through Linktree. Check it out, check out that article. I'll also try to find that and put a link to that, and then I'll be back at some point. I'm in the office seeing patients today. Cheers, got my cup of joe. All right. Why don't you have a cup or two if your constitution permits? All right, until then, peace out. Talk to you soon.